Once again, hello, namaste, and welcome to Nepstop.com. Now we will see how you can customize your store on Nepstop. If you have not registered your business yet on Nepstop, watch the video above to register your store on Nepstop. I hope you received an email confirming your successful registration on Nepstop after you registered. It may take a few hours. If you have not received your email yet by next day, please feel free to contact us at +977 1534 9382 or by email at support@nepstop.com. Now let's see how to customize your store and dashboard. First of all, you will receive an email regarding successfully registering at nepstop.com. Then sign into your email account, and then open the email sent by Nepstop. After opening the mail, you can see your membership plan details. Scroll down and click on the Visit Now link in your email. Or you can just refresh the Nepstop.com page after you have received the email from us regarding your store's successful registration on Nepstop. Then you will be redirected to the store setup page to set up your store. Click the Let's Go button below. Here you can set up your store details, like uploading your store logo, banner, and other details regarding your company. Then, in the Find Location box, type in your store's exact location, and then, in the maps below, drag the blue location indicator to the exact location where your business is located. This would help us and the customers locate your store. Then, in the Short Description box, type in short details about your business. Then click on the Continue button below. Then, you will be redirected to the next step, which is payment. You can enter your bank account information here, where you will receive payments from your customers. This is 100% secure. But for now we will skip this step. The following step is policy setup, where you can define your company's policies if you have them. For now, I am going to skip this step. Then comes support setup. Here you can set up your business details so that customers can contact you when they need to know more about the products that your store will be selling. Then click on Continue. Then comes Store SEO setup. You can skip this step. The following step is to connect your business social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, and others. On Store Social Setup, after you've linked your company's social media accounts, click the Continue button below. So that's it. Your store is now ready to go. Click the Let's Go to the Dashboard button below. Click the link below to learn how to use Dashboard, or continue watching the video to learn more. So this is what your dashboard looks like. Let me add new products, sell them, and show you how it works. So here you can see your gross sales, item status, and order details in the main dashboard. If you have received any orders from customers or any other status, you will be notified via email in the notification bell above in your vendor dashboard. Then, in Products, you can manage your product details. To add new products to your store, watch the next video on how to add new products. Then in Media, you will be able to preview all the images you have uploaded to the site. Then, in the Order section, you can manage all of the orders you've received from your store's customers. Here you can change the order status of the order placed by the customer to notify them of order updates. Then, in the coupon menu, you can create coupon codes for your customers to use to get discounts. Then, in the customer menu, you can access your customer information. You can see if any customers have requested refunds in the refund menu. And in the Add to My Store menu, you can directly add other store products to your store if you are also selling the same goods. Then, in the Settings menu, you can change any details regarding your business. Then, on the ledger book, you can see the total earnings, total withdrawals, and total refund status of your store. In the Reports menu, you can view the sales report of your business by date, day, week, month, or year. Then, in the Review menu, you can see customer reviews on your products, and in the Follower menu, you can see customers who follow your store. On the Chat box menu, you will be able to live chat with your store customer and solve their inquiry. However, for the sake of your store's security, please do not share your bank account information or other personal or security information on the live chat. And on the Support menu, you can help an offline customer with any problem regarding their inquiry. For any announcement or notification, please see the icons above. So this is how you can customize your store in your store dashboard. To learn how to add new products to your store, see the next tutorial to learn more. Thank you. Nepstop.com, Nepal's one-stop online platform for all the wholesale products. Thank you.